abithaa ba borithi MUTHARA ibatangalanite muchemanio yurane ndio tongereto ni mutungiri wa kiama kia PNU no Peter Munyamwa na atungiria bangi bangotono ya Azimio barawetithiti na mbere maandamano ya Azimio county ne MERU borithi bankurukini bethirite nende bakiaraga na kiana kumaruka kana kurigeria kumaruka na gutonya kwa kiama ba Azimio NJAA MUNYA mutereche MUTHARA kiri maandamano ya Peter Munya NAGURARITUE na KINYANGARI kikwithira KENYANGA kwa mona boba kiaria na ndikibandeto nibagugite makarika yerua ria tirigeria maandamano wetana mbere MWANKA bethira bakithikira wa ithirikari Kenya Kwanza.
Ekura ria mbere burure laingo kilingo ne kia siasa kuma kithurano kithuru iretiete ngatonye na ngurario na KINYANGARI we nayo ya ikuorito.
They have thrown tear gas to the three of us. There was no crowd, just the three of us at short range, injuring Honorable Munya on the ear where the tear gas landed.
The people who keep cheating people that Meru and Mount Kenya are not in these things. They are facing economic hardships like everybody else. There is no fuel that is cheaper in Meru or cheaper in Mount Kenya and then more expensive in Nyanza or in Western Kenya. Everybody is facing the hardships that this regime has visited on us.
Wa Kenya musilale hawa watu wakiachiliwa wakae kwa office even another day, it will be very painful for all of us. Those leaders from Mount Kenya who are still waiting to see what is happening, mjue watu hamko na wao. Kama wewe unataka kujua pali watu wako, tokesea maandamano usaidie wa Kenya. Kwanza wale walipitisha hii bili kule bunge, hao ndio wako na shida.
Peter Munya urarari waziri uremi ya Kenya mutongerio kia makenak Kenya mathakaru amwe no mwe watongerie Azimio la umoja Jeremia Kioni ibatiethirite bayageni batia liki kinya thokone na nturene yongwe Munya nteretie MUTHARA tigania isti.
They were trying to block us. We actually abandoned our vehicles and rode borders. It's only when they followed us and left the hotel that our vehicles were able to move out. They would needlessly throw tear gas in an act of cowardice, because when people are just talking and associating and expressing their will and they are not violent, there is no need to throw tear gas. So they've been following us the whole day, and around 3:30 they blocked us at this junction behind this hotel to prevent us to go from Meru town. Mr. Toroitich, who appears to be commanding this battalion you see behind, telling us that we are not welcome in Meru. I asked him which law bars me or any of my colleagues from coming to Meru. He says we did not tell them. I don't know since when Meru became a police county where you have to notify the police when you are entering Meru.
Bakiaria mukawe na yumwe ntuku yonde kuingatana na mabisa baborisi atongeria baiba menereti mabisa baborisi nontubwa kiraba kwa no tumerinya nkurani na watho.
Polisi iri mobilize warira tuyete kwaria nantu. Lakini ringambe ikuywa nara antu bakiura wananjire isiulu. Bakiura wa imagaindi na miankene ingi uteborithi tukuona. Lakini tukaitu kuitu kwenda kwaria na wananchi nantu. Ndio tukona borithi yoyori ebangikea. Na borithi iri awa woti bwetu na beche chetu ichi iri a borithi kende tukaria te yo tumisa utwela tiangasi no tura, lakini butu kuona ri na tutetekeria bu.
We want Toroitich to know we will sue him by name, at least I will, so that he can be able to say why he obstructed us, why he assaulted us, because pushing us back not to get to the main road is an assault. We are literally imprisoned in this hotel. You can see that. Several charges are going to arise out of this.
Amwena boba wete batita moyo na batinwa na bageta na mbere kuruandwa imu ankangarama yotoro ename.
Mibango ya ukombo wa Kenya ikaendelea. Tuelewe tiangasi, turumwe, tutumuro borithi na tuingere michi bora tukuingiri na muchi tukaendelea. Nontutiro tuketikiria ndeto twire wa kamyake uyo ndeto akite twikirite sheria ya ukariantu etharua ni antu agenda yo akikuia na uchuna antu intobio na batina nya mubango no yo utethia mwananchi uraba wite batethia bakikwa thirikari mwananchi wa kawaida kanditite kithira na tumiokira turi atongeria twetera nthithira tukiri no mwanka turwe kinya cia mama itu rwire aciari betu na mayoyo betu kabaitanirie barwira nthi Kenya muchungu atumisite kinya thai tukarwa na muchungu muiru ureire oro na itu rwire kinya na mayowe nyo itheoro etri twarwire nwe.
Tell them that we will be back and we will be back in a big way, and even now we are not finished.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma Tiania Mbita wa Mukiri wa Mithika.